This is the 1850 Bear Mill outside of Dayton, Ohio. I'm Darren, and this is the Industrial Revolution. So a lot of historic mills have pulled all these elevators and chutes out, or pulled most of them out over the years. Now certainly when mills were in operation, they changed them around, they reconfigured things. So they also removed some. But most mills you can go into today don't have anything like this. You know, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've got, about 10 in a row here. You've got about the same down here. In the next row, you've got like 20 elevators and chutes here, and you see up in the ceiling, there's still more that have actually been removed.
See that big steel wheel in the background? That controls the larger of the turbines below us. It actually broke the day I was there, and it just spun without actually doing anything. Stick around and we'll talk more about it, and even get to see some pretty special stuff that's usually underwater.
They weigh 1,000 pounds, they're pretty fat and happy, they don't want to move, so we have to raise it up, and then...
The steel wheel opens the wicket gates on the smaller of the two turbines. That turbine runs all 3 stones and the 1 flower dresser just to the left. Everything else in the mill is run from the larger turbine.
We get a steady flow of grain down into the middle of the stone, and centrifugal force pushes it to the outside. The weight of the stone screws it into the nest that does all the work, screws it into flour. So what we have in there now is soft wheat, and what I'm going to pour in next is einkorn.
Okay.
I don't know if you've heard of einkorn before. It's ancient grain.
Okay.
A lot more protein and nutrition. So I just kind of feed the rest of the soft wheat through, and then I dump in einkorn. And it takes a little bit to switch over down here.
Right.
And then set it down here.
It's not taking very long, and you see the water levels already dropping. The wooden strainer here was called a trash rack, and you can see how it got that name. The really tiny bits, like dead leaves for example, those could go right through the turbine without causing any problems. But some of this bigger stuff could jam up or damage things. That's what we thought might be the problem here.